Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to replace the side entry light bar. First, we disassemble the LCD screen and scrape off the light bar with a blade, unplug the cable, then tear off the light bar directly. Unplug the cable. Then tear off the light bar directly. There is some residual glue after tearing it off. We need to clean up all of this glue. Only then can a new light bar be installed. Otherwise the light guide plate will not get stuck in later, or the LED lamp beads will be damaged. For cleaning glue, gasoline is recommended. This is a very useful product for cleaning glue. Let's clean up the glue next. If it is still not clean, you can scrape it with a blade. Okay, let's take a look at the effect after cleaning up. You can see that the inner wall is clean. So now you can start to install the light bar. We have to test before installing the light bar, and then install it after the light bar test has no problems. First tear off the double-sided adhesive protective film on the back of the light bar, and then stick it directly on. After pasting it, press the light bar tightly with your fingers. Okay, so our side entry light bar will be replaced. Now you can install the LCD screen. This installation video is over. Thank you for your attention.